Where are we, Didi? She's not in the mood. Coffee? Coffee beer. We are here at Ikea. But first we need to get some coffee. I've been up since 4 in the morning and I haven't had a wink of sleep. So coffee is quite necessary. Didi, say hi.
Hi.
Chocolate. Oh, it's warm. Single chocolate chip.
बस भाई.
What do you want? So we've got 4 cups of coffee, 1 double chocolate chip, 1 single chocolate chip, 1 dame cake. Dame cake. What is it called? Damn cake.
I don't know.
That's some sort of cake.
I think it's DM. I don't know.
Damn cake.
Not sure.
No idea. It's supposed to be good.
It's Switzerland's most famous cake.
Is it? Do you like cappuccino or like black coffee?
I want black coffee.
You want black coffee? I think I'll have black coffee.
What's the fit today? Fit check.
All white. Got a new beard, non-existent beard. I've got 1 cappuccino, another cappuccino. Coffee. Oh, it's good.
फुटेज खाता है मेरा भाई.
बिग बॉस देखा है ना तेरे साथ.
बिग बॉस कभी देखा.
ऑटोमेटिक है. तुझे भी डाल दूंगा. चली जा. We're looking for lamps for our rooms.
Our rooms.
Our rooms, like my room and Didi's room.
I think we are looking for only my room. I'm not.
I'm getting a lamp. Do you like your new room?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.
I think yours is better.
Mine is better. I've got a balcony. Got a huge window as well. Quite nice, peaceful. Look at that homely couple. Not bad. So we're looking for mirrors and lamps now. Come here.
Shall we get this?
This is also nice.
For our bathroom.
We've got a lot of stuff. So tired. Need to get it built now. Alright, we're heading out to a local competition. got a relay. So yeah. Alright, we're gonna take our scooty out. There's parking problems there, so well. Well, let's get in the water for some warm up. Warm up 400 free 850s kick drill, 850s drill swim, and then some kick dive and turns. Go. That's Matre.
Working inside lane 1, Utkarsh Mehta swimming very fast but he's been challenged by the
First, third 15 and
big hand is what drone
We got 4 swimmers and 3 of them are from Khade Aquatics. Shubhankar swimming, Nidish swimming, Kavish swimming. Name what? छोड़ दिया शुभंकर
chasing down for
ये भाग रहा है अरे गो गो निदेश गो
अरे गो swimming very fast.
वो कावेश
पहले शुभंकर को चीयर कर रहे थे अब निदेश को अभी कावेश को गो कावेश पानी में गो चल निदेश गो कावेश
It's going to be a 50 meters dash now for freestyle. Racing ahead from the inside, lane 1 to take top honors from Kavish Desai, who comes in second.
ओ रिकॉर्ड
And lane 6 takes the third spot. The hands have gone up.
अरे तूने उस तरफ ब्रीथ करना दिया तो अच्छा किया निदेश the fuck some random guy came and beat you we got competition snacks for 1 year and I'm snacking like a king Nidesh what are you saying you wanna beat us it's time for a main event now medley relay
Second and final call for all the relays. Challenging lane number 3. That is the best leg of this big goal to 18. To be 18, working up the backstroke. It's the breaststroke leg of this big goal to 18. This is going to be very close and tight. The lead is tremendous. Now can we see any change in fortune? Let's find out. This is the fly leg. They're still going GMO. This big B still leads K18, who will now chase them down. GMO, they've taken control of this and win it. The record hands have gone up. It's a new meet record. The hands have gone up for District B. They better the meet record. The hands have gone up in lane number 15 second. The time was 1 minute 51.28 seconds. Third, that is District 18. Their time was 1 minute 53.93 seconds.
रोज आते हैं इस उम्मीद पे आज जीतेंगे कल जीतेंगे परसों जीतेंगे रोज हारते हैं
Hey guys, welcome to Boswell Vlogs. So, he's on the team that won by how much seconds? 5 seconds. Yeah, 3 something. Yeah.
But yeah, they also gave us the fight.
Please stay away from the premises.
Really?
Static soon after we conclude these programs.
That's our junior team.
A big thank you here by please stay with the team.
What do you think, Arjun? How was today's event? What? How was the event?
My event. We had a relay. It's pretty good. Close to best time.
What did you clock?
27 point, I don't know. 0 probably. If it's 0, it's the best time. I'm not a sprinter. But neither sure is.
I did a 26.7, which is kind of a PB for me as well.
That's quite nice.
No suit, without suit. Without suit. No shave, no taper.
He's leaving.
Alright, good morning. Currently we're heading out to get some running done. It's quite dark out. I don't know why, it's 6 o'clock already. The sun is not up yet. But yeah, I think I'm gonna run like 5 kilometers today. I haven't run in a long time. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm also trying out this new track. So I've shifted currently. I don't know if you can see, somewhere over there is my building. There's a running track, a coastal road running track. It's quite famous, so I'm gonna try that out. Alright, the entry to the running track is quite far away, so I just started running to get some road running done, then get to the running track. Alright, I'm already enjoying this view. Alright, we have to take this underground subway and then go to the other side. Alright, this is some sort of like a horror movie. Hello? My voice is echoing. Be on the other side. Alright, that's the sea right there. Alright, let's start running. Oh, I'm loving this. Check it out. So empty. No couples early in the morning. That's quite surprising. Feb 14th is coming close by. I don't see a single couple in sight. That's quite nice. Man, that's a pretty view. There's a road that leads up to that Haji Ali. It's damn close to the sea. That would be quite pretty. But I don't know how to get there. Oh, the track ends here. I don't know if we should be going up any further. They blocked the road. But yeah, well, let's run back. I think I'm let me run up ahead. I'll show you guys. You got something. They have these markings on the run track and it's quite helpful. It's damn helpful. Right. Alright, we've got like another 1 kilometer to go. Then we'll walk a little. It's a pretty view, man. It's a pretty fucking view. Alright. We're done.
I think we did 5k, above 5k, a little bit above 5k. Oh man, I can see myself coming here every week for a run. This is pretty nice. Look at that. That's a good view. It's a pretty good view. I didn't even know when I finished 5k. So yeah, it's pretty good. Alright, I think this is a good stopping point. Just gonna walk a little bit up ahead and then walk back home. But if you guys did like this video, hit like and subscribe. And yeah, take care of yourself, take care of your family, do work out, be healthy. And yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Till then, take care.
If you guys want to check out more videos such as this, head over to the YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. I hope you guys are keeping safe and staying healthy. I'll see you guys next video. Till then, take care.
There are swans here. Or ducks, I don't know. We've got seagulls up here.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो